At 6, jurors that were part of a criminal trial at the Salinas courthouse are now on notice after an attorney in that case tested positive for COVID during the trial. More on the incident and the concerns being raised from Action News 8 reporter Felix Cortez live at the Monterey County Courthouse in Salinas. Felix?
Well, Dan, questions being raised because that lawyer excused themselves from the case late last week, but the jury just heard about it yesterday after a positive test came back. The attorney who tested positive was part of a legal team arguing a case in Judge Andrew Liu's courtroom, Department Number 2.
The first step, which was critical, is that the person who was at risk of exposure took themselves away from the trial. So to minimize the primary risk in that way.
That was Thursday, but the lawyer would not test positive until Tuesday when the jury reached its verdict, and that's when Judge Liu informed the jury, saying, "I felt personally that I couldn't let it go and that you needed to be told. I believe that policy dictates that you don't have to be told, but I felt that was important to let you know." It appears the jury wasn't informed Thursday when the lawyer excused themselves from the case.
The clear and consistent guidance we've had from County Health is that what triggers that assessment of close contacts and what triggers the more rigorous response is a positive test. And that's what we have to go by, and that's what we've gone by in this situation.
So far, no indication the lawyer had any close contacts the last day they were in the courthouse.
There were no close contacts that they identified among either court personnel or among the jurors or among the alternate defender's office, the defenders in this case.
But I think that was kind of late, if you ask me.
Defense attorney Miguel Hernandez has his concerns, even though the courts have installed plexiglass in the courtroom. Social distancing, even among jurors, is practiced, and everybody must use a face covering, even during trials. Despite all that, Hernandez has had 3 trials put on hold.
These are the things that have concerned me, that it can crop up at any time, and it can crop up in a trial, and it did. And that's my major concern.
Now the court's now reaching out to every juror who served on that trial to inform them of the positive test and any precautions they may want to take. But again, this goes beyond just the jury and courtroom staff. Contact tracers now doing an internal and external investigation to determine who that lawyer may have come in contact with. Dan, Aaron.
All right. Thank you very much, Felix.